What's up everyone? It's Cars here, and today we're jumping into the world of luxury EVs in 2026. After a wild 2025, every luxury automaker is all in on electric, and the results are next level. The bar for luxury EVs is sky high. Performance, battery tech, and interiors have all been redefined. It's not just about bigger batteries anymore. It's a total rethink of what a luxury car can be. The competition is fierce, with legacy brands and new players pushing boundaries. It's about the whole experience, now. From approach to self-parking. In this video we'll break down the most anticipated models and the trends shaping this new era. Think, ultra-fast charging, AI-driven cabins, and sustainable materials. Let's dive into the future of luxury EVs. First up, meet Radeon, a new name making a massive entrance with the E1. This luxury GT packs a jaw-dropping 200 horsepower from a twin-motor all-wheel drive setup. It's not just about raw power. The E1 is one of the first production cars with a full solid-state battery, and that means a 350-mile range and, more impressively, charging from 10% to 80% in under 15 minutes. Step inside, and you're greeted by a holographic dashboard, floating dials, gesture controls, and a truly sci-fi vibe. The seats are sculpted from recycled carbon fiber with vegan Alcantara upholstery that feels ultra-premium. Radeon's message: you don't have to choose between luxury, performance, or sustainability. The E1 is a bold tech-forward statement that challenges the old guard. New brands like Radeon aren't tied down by tradition. They're building the best cars possible with today's tech. The E1's blend of power, battery innovation, and futuristic design sets a new standard. It's forcing established brands to step up or risk falling behind. This is what happens when you start with a blank slate and ask, what's possible? The E1 is one of the most exciting cars of the year. It's not enough to just be electric anymore. You have to innovate on every front. The question now, can legacy brands keep up with this level of disruption? Radeon's debut is a wake-up call for the industry. The E1 is proof that the future belongs to the bold. It's a car that's as thrilling to drive as it is to look at. The luxury EV game just got a new player, and everyone else needs to catch up. The bar has officially been raised.